In today's video, I'll show you the best and fastest way to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, your Trello board will be connected to Microsoft Teams, allowing updates and collaboration to move smoothly between both platforms. Before we get started, make sure you have an active Trello account and access to Microsoft Teams. Depending on your organization's settings, you may also need admin approval to complete the integration. To begin, sign into Trello using your web browser. Confirm that you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you want to connect. This integration works at the board level, so choose the specific Trello board where you want Teams collaboration to take place. Open the board and look for the Power-Ups option at the top. This is Trello's app marketplace, where you can find tools and integrations to extend your board's functionality. Click Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. When the Microsoft Teams Power-Up appears in the results, select it to view more details. Here, you can review what the integration does and check any notes related to permissions or data access. Next, click Configure to start the setup process from Trello. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's Marketplace page for the Trello integration. On that page, click Get It Now. If prompted, sign in using your Microsoft Work or School account. Some organizations require administrator approval for third-party apps. If you see an approval request message, submit the request and wait for confirmation before continuing. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection between Trello and Microsoft Teams. You'll be asked to grant permissions and choose which workspace, team, or channel should receive updates from Trello. Keep your Trello tab open, and if multi-factor authentication is required, complete that step to properly authorize the connection. Once you're back in Trello, you'll notice that the Microsoft Teams Power-Up includes a built-in guide. This walkthrough helps you fine-tune settings, choose the correct Teams channel, and understand how notifications and links will appear in Microsoft Teams. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you work with multiple Trello boards, you'll need to repeat this setup for each board that should post updates to Teams. And if updates don't appear right away, double-check that you selected the correct team and channel, and that you're signed in with the right accounts in both Trello and Microsoft 365. That's it. Your Trello board is now successfully integrated with Microsoft Teams using the most reliable method available. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.